Good morning, welcome to this week. Sandras and Lance Roofer was here as planned to do their own house roof, but he hasn't been here to do the garage apartment, and unfortunately we had a few leaks, and I had to have my own roofer to come and do some patches. I'll show you what happened. Unfortunately last week we had heavy rain and we saw water dripping off the cables. We opened the foam area and the drain area and where the vent goes. There's no water at all in here. Everything is dry. So because this is an emergency, we couldn't wait for their roofers to come over and continue the work. I had to bring my roofers to do these patches. They look pretty good. We're just missing this part here, but that will be done when the roofers come over. The water came in through this vent opening. It wasn't sealed before, right over the bathroom side. And because the whole apartment has this valley inclination, it comes this way down and this way down. You can also see it on the floor. It comes down this way. The water travel along the sheetrock all the way to the lowest point of the ceiling and trickle down here to this opening through the cables. So right now we're just gonna wait until everything dries. It's almost dried after a few days, and then we're gonna patch it back in. And of course, we're also gonna patch this opening here. Other than that, this week we had all the plumbing done. The faucets are installed. We passed the final gas inspection. We have the bathroom sink and faucet working. And the toilet is already in operation. Next week, we're gonna have the microwave vent installed. Also, this vent needs to be done, and we're gonna have the shower enclosure installed. We had to delay the floor last coating. Hopefully we can do it this weekend. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.